The zone of disaster. In the last month, in India, almost 2 crore people lost their job. What? You're talking about zone of disaster and you're talking about again jobs are being lost. What is the relation? I will explain. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. Today I am going to explain you about the zone of disaster. So as I told you, first of all I want to tell you about the 2 crore jobs which are being lost in the month of July and August. So what happened? Why people lost their jobs? So with my experience, I even has a lot of friends who lost their job. They are getting a good paycheck in good reputed companies. They are not even small companies. They work for big companies as well, but still they lost their jobs. Why? Even I have seen a lot of government employees didn't get their salary. Why? I have seen a lot of retired persons didn't get their pensions. Why? The reason is only one, that is COVID. Because of this COVID-19, this all happened. Apart from that, there is one more reason which is hidden. That is the zone of disaster. It is also called as comfort zone. So according to me, comfort zone is the reason of all these things. So probably if someone has some additional skills, it might not happen. The loss of jobs may be a little bit less, or you may be ending up with some other career. So it's not for a complete 2.2 crore people who lost their jobs. I'm talking about only few people who actually want their life to be changed. So what exactly you can do? According to me, what I have done is, I have learned an additional skill to sustain myself, which is actually a professional and personal also. I have improved my communication skills. I worked upon my communication skills, joining in different public speaking classes, in different even technologies as well. So I learned them, which made me to sustain in this situation as well. So it actually helped me to add a skill into my particular resume. Apart from that, it is used whenever I am having a problem. So right now I am making a video because of that communication skills which I have learned in this pandemic itself. So according to me, everyone should step out of this comfort zone at this peak time, which actually can change your life. So go and explore what skill can add some more value into your life, which can add more power to you whenever you go out to the market. So this will take a lot of time. Even today I have seen that India hit the worst mark of GDP, that is 23.9%, which is the worst in the history of India. This is also the main reason which we came across this situation. So I request everyone to at least add some skill in this pandemic time, because it will take more time for us to go out and get a job even. So it's very tough right now to get a job. So add some skill in the meantime, and which can actually make your skill up. Apart from that, you will get a job as well. Thank you guys. I hope you loved this video. If you love this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for your wishes and thank you for your comments. Hope you are having a great day. Thank you.